My name is Maria. Today is my first day at a new school. I am nervous but excited. I walk to the school with my mother. The school is big and red. There are many windows. I see children in the playground. They are playing and laughing. "This is your new school, Maria," says my mother. "You will like it here." We go inside the school. The hallway is big and has lights. There are pictures on the walls. I see classrooms with open doors. My mother and I find the office. A nice lady is there. "Hello," says the lady. "You must be Maria. I am Mrs. Johnson. Welcome to Green Hill School." Mrs. Johnson shows us to my classroom. The classroom is big and colorful. There are 20 desks in rows. Each desk has a chair. At the front, there is a big desk for the teacher. There is also a whiteboard on the wall. "This is your teacher, Miss Garcia," says Mrs. Johnson. Miss Garcia is young and friendly. She has brown hair and a big smile. "Hello, Maria. Welcome to our class," says Miss Garcia. "I am happy you are here." Miss Garcia shows me my desk. It is near the window. I can see the playground from my seat. On my desk, there is a name card that says Maria. "This is your desk," says Miss Garcia. "You can put your books and pens here." I put my new backpack under the desk. Inside my backpack, I have 3 books, 2 pens, and 1 pencil. My mother says goodbye and leaves. Now I am alone, but Miss Garcia stays with me. "Let me introduce you to the other students," says Miss Garcia. A girl with blonde hair comes to my desk. "Hi, my name is Emma," she says. "What is your name?" "I am Maria," I say. "Nice to meet you." "Nice to meet you too, Maria. Do you want to sit together at lunch?" I smile. "Yes, thank you." Emma shows me around the classroom. She shows me the bookshelf with many books. She shows me the art supplies on a table. There are crayons, markers, and colored paper. "We do art projects every Friday," says Emma. "It is very fun." The bell rings. All the students sit at their desks. Miss Garcia stands at the front of the classroom. "Good morning, class," says Miss Garcia. "Today we have a new student. This is Maria." "Good morning, Maria," say all the students together. I feel happy. Everyone seems nice. Miss Garcia gives me my books for the year. I have a math book, a reading book, and a science book. The books are heavy. I am happy to learn. During the morning, we do reading. Miss Garcia reads us a story about a cat. The cat is orange and likes to play. After the story, we draw pictures of cats. I draw an orange cat like in the story. At lunchtime, Emma and I sit together. We eat sandwiches and drink juice. Emma tells me about the school. "There is a library on the 2nd floor," says Emma. "The librarian is very nice. Her name is Ms. Brown." "What is your favorite subject?" I ask Emma. "I like art the best," says Emma. "What about you?" "I like reading," I say. I have many books at home. After lunch, we have math class. Miss Garcia teaches us about numbers. We practice counting from 1 to 20. Math is not my favorite, but Miss Garcia makes it fun. At the end of the day, Miss Garcia comes to my desk. "How was your first day, Maria?" she asks. "It was good," I say. "I like my new school." "I am glad," says Miss Garcia. "See you tomorrow?" I pack my books in my backpack. We walk home together. "Do you want to be friends?" asks Emma. "Yes," I say. "I would like that very much." My mother is waiting outside the school. I run to her. "How was school?" asks my mother. "It was wonderful," I say. "I made a new friend, and my teacher is very nice. I love my new school." My mother smiles. I am happy you had a good day. We walk home together. I tell my mother about Miss Garcia, Emma, and my new classroom. "I want to go to school again tomorrow,"